What's up, baby Luigi?
I'm doing a daddy. Really, Daddy. Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up, Daddy! Wake up! Wake up, Daddy!
Oh, hi, baby Luigi.
Oh, Daddy. I'm having a friend come over, okay?
Oh, okay. Hey, baby Luigi.
Hey, baby Donkey Kong. Huh? What do you want to do today? I'll be way down. Way down.
Oh, what are you guys doing, guys? What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? I see people playing in another room, so don't mind them. Just my friends that came over. We're playing some Smash Bros. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.
Daddy, are you gonna play that today?
No, son. I'm just gonna go back and watch some Charlie. Charlie. Charlie's a pretty good show. No. Oh wait, Charlie sucks. I'm gonna watch some Me Little Ponies. Yeah, I'm gonna watch some Me Little Ponies.
Daddy, can I watch with you?
No, I'm gonna watch alone. I'm gonna watch with you. My brother.
Yeah. We should go play and have fun. Yeah, let's go. Look at the outside world. It's beautiful. Yeah, let's go. Go. Let's go. There's a dark hallway out here. Let's go outside. I'm opening the door. Hey, kitty. I can't see much. It's really blurry. Hey, kitty. Look at my bike. Yeah, I don't really want my base. Oh, we'll play on my fun castle. Okay, so I'll hide in here. You hide up here. Oh, I picked up the dangle. No, I fell. Go back. Go back. Oh. Hey, baby Luigi. Doesn't it feel a little bit dangerous? Because we can actually get hurt. You're being dumb. It's awesome up here. It's really fun. Okay, let's go, baby. What's wrong? Hey! Wait! Whoa! Ah! What's happening? I broke my leg, man! I broke my leg! Yeah, go back inside with that! My leg really hurts! My leg really hurts! Thank you for carrying me, baby. Oh, dark hallway. It hurts my eyes. In here, Daddy. Let me turn on more white. Oh, I fell, Daddy. Fell again, Daddy. And Daddy, I broke my leg, Daddy. Oh God. Hey, I can't.
Okay, son. Oh, it's gonna be okay. We're gonna go to the hospital, okay?
What happened to baby Luigi? Tell me! What happened to baby Luigi? I'll punch you in the face right now. But you don't tell me. What? Luigi, she's my best friend.
Stop. I won't tell you if you don't stop.
Papa's a little bit crazy. I'm gonna take off my bib for a bit. Oh, yeah. I'll take off my bib. Yeah, I'll just leave it alone. I need to know where baby